In terms of appearance, this magnetic power bank is much smaller than other power banks, more convenient to carry and thin, and it will not feel heavy in the hand. This power bank has a capacity of 50 mAh, and there are two charging methods: magnetic charging and plugging in the charging cable to charge the phone. It is said that the output of TPYEC can reach 20 W, and it can charge the mobile phone 50% in half an hour. So how many times can a 50 mAh power bank charge the iPhone 12 mini? Which is faster, wireless charging speed or charging cable charging speed? This video verifies it for you.
Okay, let's go.
"15 minutes in. "30 minutes in. "1 full hour. "1 hour 30 minutes in. "1 hour 40 minutes in.
Okay, let's go.
10 minutes in. 40 minutes in. 2 full hours. 3 full hours. 4 full hours.